The hacker's opportunity. Cybercriminals take over the domain. A group of enthusiastic students launched their startup. They registered a domain name and created a website to showcase their idea. Their business started to grow steadily. As the startup gained momentum, the team focused entirely on expanding their business. Unfortunately, they forgot to renew their domain name after 1 year. Cyber criminals noticed this lapse. They quickly purchased the expired domain name and created a fake website under that address. Soon, customers began visiting the fake website. They were misled by the fraudulent content, and trust in the startup began to fade. The startup started receiving complaints and negative reviews. People began questioning the authenticity of their brand. Defacement and bad reputation became a reality. Realizing the seriousness of the situation, the startup reached out to cybersecurity expert Tunmei for help. Tunmei acted swiftly. He legally took down the fake website and restored the legitimate domain to the startup's control. The original website was relaunched. The startup worked hard to rebuild trust and strengthen its online presence. This incident became an important lesson. Consistency in maintaining your online presence is crucial. Neglecting such responsibilities can give malicious actors a chance to exploit your brand. If you aspire to build a career in cybersecurity and protect brands from such attacks, take a step forward with CyberSunScar's professional cybersecurity course. 814-925-6703. Learn how to safeguard digital identities, prevent cyber threats, and ensure your online presence stays secure. www.tunmei.pro